So this is the third port machine we have to check. Okay. Ayan, misfiring. Injector number 1. Ayan. No click. Wala siyang ganun. Ito meron. Ayan, lakas. Ayan, okay. Okay, ito wala. Ayan, number 6. Injector number 6 not working. Ito nung tinanggal this one when I try to disconnect the injector harness 5 and 6, it's a 1 socket. So this one number 6 is not working. Okay, that's a problem why the engine is misfire.